Another hit. Yep. Oh,
Have a look.
oh yeah. Welcome, this is Mighty Kite Geek. We are at the end of June 30th. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm going to try this one from Profishent. It's a white. It is the old wing style with green. We are going to throw that around as well. We're in my favourite creek, or one of my favourite creeks. It is an extreme low, so really the complete wrong tide to do this. But we'll head up to where we usually get a bream, and we'll see what we can't produce. All right, let's get into it. Yeah. Oh, I lost it. God damn, lost it on a cicada. I was playing with my camera and lost it. I just turned my camera off before it too. Oh, something hit that already. What the? Something was hitting that in the... That was crazy. Never really seen anything near it though. I don't know if it's because I've spooked the fish. There is fish down there, but I think it's just mullet. Or is it? Oh, that's a big bream. That's a big bream, and I've missed it. Oh. Not that it matters around here because I think the water's coming out. It's been raining a lot, so I think the water's coming out more than what it is coming in. There we go. There's another hit. There's another hit. Yep. Oh, head shakes, big head shakes. Oh, he's a cranking bream. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. No. He's a stonking bream. Got him. That Profishent white cicada. Wait, stop that. He's curled right up. I'll tell you what it is. He's 36. Yeah, he was not coming off at all, this guy. The new BKK hooks they're putting on here are really good. I haven't changed the hooks on this one because if you saw the package, it says it comes with BKK. That's what I'll let him go. There you go, 35, 36er. Thank you for coming, mate. Have a good day. Oh no, I've just thrown my chamois in. So this is the old model. White, green, These are the older wings. The new wings have, hang on, I've got the black one in the new model. So the hooks are the same between the models now, but if you have a look at the wings, this has the ribs in it. I think those wings, the newer model wings, are a little bit harder, and they swim better when you just do a slow wind. Twitching method doesn't really matter. I just did the twitching method, but also I've noticed there is screws in these wings, so if Profishent ever do it, they should sell replacement wings, and they'll be one of the only manufacturers in the world on cicada lures that have replacement wings for sale. And the best thing is, like I said before, these are some of the cheapest lures you'll find. What are they, like $14, $15 something? Hang on, I've got the packaging here. So one of my local guys sells them for $14 each. But I can't remember what the recommended retail. But you can pick them up as low as 14 bucks each. And as you see, they work. Profishent cicada lures, brilliant. I'm going to have to put my sunnies on soon. If I put my sunnies on, oh, there was something. I don't know if there was something, have a look at that. But there should be one in amongst this group here. Good cast. Albeit it had a rough leaning. Yep, there we go. Yep. He's only a small tie cut. He's only small. I knew there'd be one in there though. How bad is he hooked? He shouldn't take that long to get off, as long as he cooperates. He's just got that one hook in him. It's just in a real bad spot for him. But he'll be fine. Have a good day, buddy. I've had the big ones, but that one he hit really hard. To be that small, he really hit hard. Oh, wow. Something just went full mental in there. Yep. Yep, that's what it was. Yep. Yep. Yep, on again. Topwater cicada. Again, that white Profishent, that was the one that made a noise in there. We'll let him go in a second. He's only like a 20 centimetre model or something like that, so we'll let him have a go. We'll just release him through the net. Oh, dude, come on, have a good day, buddy. You're gone. Accidentally recorded. Oh, come on. Oh, again. Massive hits right there. There he goes again. Yep. Oh, no, missed it. Let's just throw that in there again. It could have been, oh no. Oh, come off it. Oh, right there. Right, I've just put on my scent. My scent again, Haavvvvee freshwater estuary scent is what I generally use. Yep, there you go. Another big bream. Having a look at it. We're in winter, guys. We're in winter and we're getting this type of action. Treated again. You can hear the water running over. Oh, there's one. Yep. There's about 2 or 3 with that one. Oh, look at them all. There's 3 or 4 with it. There we go. Another one. It's definitely hooked. Definitely hooked well. Profishent Cicada. What's he going? He's 20 something. Is he just legal? Yeah, he's 28. So 28. Guys, where I was supposed to be heading. Up to the Deadwoods to see how they were fishing. But I knew it would be a tough fish because of how shallow it is going to be up there. So I've decided to take my time going up there. What a great call on my part. I was going to paddle straight there. There we go. Yep. And in baby. Under that tree. Like I said earlier. This guy's not worth measuring. He's 20 at best. Let's just get him on his way. Just make sure that treble's not going to hit his eye. Oh, dude. Shut your mouth at the wrong time, man. Alright. Yeah, what did I say? He's 20 at best. Let's have a look. Yeah, he's probably only like 16, 17. Have a good day, buddy. Swims away, and that's what we want to see. Again, that branch that they can sit under. Just any type of structure, overhanging trees, but more importantly, trees on top of the water or underneath the water that they can just sit behind and ambusher. They'll just ambush it. Even the small ones will ambush it. Let's have a look this side. Let's see if this side can't produce. I don't know how deep this side is. I know it's shallow on that corner, but that's a mullet. Oof. Oh. I pulled that at the wrong time. Oh. Alright. I can see some structure around here. That was a terrible cast. I just don't know how deep it is. It's so brown. Oh. Oh, that's a big bream. That's a huge bream. It is very shallow in there. Oh. Yep. He's a bit bigger than the other ones. I probably should have... Oh, no, I don't need to net him. Oh, like I said, near the trees. Take that stress off you, mate. We'll get this hook out and you can be on your way. There we go. Was I recording? Yes, I was. I can't even see. Have a good day, buddy. They go so quick when they hit the water. And this water is so brown. So we'll continue on our way. I honestly didn't think we were going to get one under there because of how shallow it was. I was thinking of going to the other side, but the other side just looks just as shallow. I just want to try over here. I don't know, there's something about this spot over here that just, I don't know how shallow it is. But here and where that branch is, 1, 2 and 3, there's so much overhanging stuff here. That's roughly where I wanted it. Oh, I was right. 1 hit, 2 hit. Yep. There we go. Oh, he's a bit bigger than the other ones they've been catching. He's probably getting around 28. So we'll net him. Like I said, I have a very tight drag set, so I'm just going to go backwards down the creek. A very tight drag set, so these guys aren't going to be dragging me into the structure, so to speak. Stop. I'm going to get a hook or something in me. This guy keeps carrying on the way he is, because I can't get a good enough grip of him. There we go. You're kind of unlucky. You really only got pinned by the one hook, but you got pinned well. What's he going? He's getting close to legal. Dude, I'm going to let you go in a second. Oh, he's like 26, and I think he's just gone straight over the hooks again. Oh. Silly guy. All right, have a good day, buddy. Oh. So I'm stoked with the amount of fish that I've got, considering how low the tide is. but I'd love to know how much better it would have been if the tide was higher. Yep. He's gone out into the deeper water. Good boy. Oh, he's come off. Oh no. I thought he came off. Well, we'll get this one out near your eye first. You might do your lip one first, buddy. A bit. Don't know how you got that one in. There we go. Profishent Cicada. It's probably only... yeah, he's going about 20. Have a good day, buddy. And he'll go back. Oh. Nice hit. Oh, yeah. He's a better size. Oh, he's come off. He was a better size and he came off. Wow. That's a shame. Oh. My glasses keep fogging up. Oh, that was not that great of a cast. Oh. Yep. Oh, okay. He's a bigger model. He's a bigger model. It's one of the bigger ones of the day. Come on, come on. Got it. Like I said, you would have noticed that I've had a very tight drag on. And this guy just stripped my drag on me. He just pulled some drag, so... Ah, stop, stop. Hey, stop. This guy's going 29. I reckon he's a lot bigger than the 28, but he's 29. Look at that. How nice are you, fella? Alright, have a good day. And off he goes. The trebles, for the first time in a long time, those trebles were hooked up to each other. Alright, let's see. Kind of there. Again, a bit further back would have been good. Oh, I told you there was one there. Oh, I knew there was going to be one in there. Epic hit at the end of that last one. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, What the? There he is. Oh, he's missed it again. Oh, that's a great cast under that. Oh. Oh, how did it miss? So, last time I was here, I cast out. I can't remember if I caught one here, I got snapped off one, or I had massive hit and missed. I can't remember. Oh no. And did you see that? Came out of nowhere to hit that. Oh. Huh. Another fantastic hit. Oh. Yep. No. Oh. Yeah. Yep. The hooks are fine. That was just me. What is the time and day? 12:33.
It is 12:33 p.m., the 30th of June 2026.
Yeah, I was just showing that this is where I am this day, that time. Because some people are going to say, oh, you were here in the summer. Yeah, of course I was here in the summer. This place is ballistic in the summer. I'll tell you what, it's darn fucking good in the winter as well. If I owned a place that backed onto this river, I think that'd be the pinnacle. Oh, there you go. There's that tree that I talked about. They randomly they come out every now and then, the old trees. I think the first time I came up here, I think I spent half my life in the trees because I just wasn't used to casting into trees at that point. Oh, you had a look. Oh yeah. Come on, stay on, stay on. Stay on. Oh, he looks alright. He looks like a good one. Oh, look at that guy. That is why I love this place. Oh, come on. That's why I love this place. What, this one? So, I'll be back. Oh, hang on. I'll tell you what it is first. Then I'll take some photos. He's 33. Alright. I got him measured, yeah, 33, 34. I'm not going to weigh him. Oh, he's bent the treble. These are really good trebles too when he's bent it. Alright, buddy, you have a lovely day and I'll catch you next time. I hope. Alright, when it comes to scent, all I've been using is, don't know if you can see that, it's about the size of a match head, maybe 2 match heads. And all I'm doing is, I don't know if you guys can see this too well, is just rubbing it over the green part on this lure. And then just a couple of bits on the hooks. That's all I've been doing. And the scent, like I said, it's the Haavvvvee catch scent. You see it in pretty much every one of my videos now. It's that and S Factor are my 2 go-to scents. I find I just cast my lure out to just to reset my line, because I've been doing a whole heap of small casts, so I like to do one big cast. So I did a big cast across the river, thought I'll just wind it in just slowly, and we hooked up. Alright, sorry buddy. Well, I didn't mean to catch you, but thank you for coming aboard. Now, we'll do this one first, because I think the other one's going to need a bit more delicate eye surgery. Alright buddy, have a good day. And he swam off fine. Yeah, I did my best to try and not hurt him. Well, good mic. That's attached to my life jacket these days. It's only got 10% battery left, so the audio quality will drop pretty soon. I've only got an hour and 30 minutes of recording footage and about an hour and 30 minutes worth of battery. So I'll probably do some casts. If I get hits, I'll turn it on. But yeah, you might not see the hits of the catches if it's a surprise hit. But if I see it coming, I'll turn it on. But yeah, I'm just letting you know now, because I know everyone likes to see the actual hit. But when I'm running out of battery, I'd rather show the catches than miss a whole heap. If it comes to that, if I'm getting closer to back to where I am, I will start then just leaving it on record. But for now, it will only be if I get hits or takes. I don't even know what I've got. Oh, it's a Brimbo. It's a decent sized Brimbo too, I think. Oh, there's snags everywhere here. There's snags everywhere. Oh. He's going to do his best to snag me up. Come on. Come on, he's a decent Brimbo too. Got him. Got him. Got him. Yes! Let's release this puppy. Let's release him. Release her, release him. Whatever it is, that's a nice one. That is nice. Can't complain about that one. Can I? I've had so many hits and misses in here. So many hits and misses in this place today. And finally we get our 35er. Not 40, but still 35. Thank you for coming. Have a nice day. There you go, mate. That's what you ate, your cicada. Proficient cicada is what you had. Off you go. Just had a decent hit. It was probably only 20 centimetres, but it was a decent hit. Been lots of little ones just coming up and nudging it. One of them actually just did have a go, which, so all I'm doing is casting up along the bank, a couple of twitches, letting it drift past me, watching, see if anything chases it. Nothing chased it. And this is where we're going to start getting into making really good casts. That wasn't a great cast, because I want to get right up under that branch there. That's kind of where I wanted it. A bit further in would have been spectacular, but I've been snapped off here so many times. Oh, there we go. Yep. I've been snapped off so many times here. And this is the smaller one that lives there. This is the smaller one. Here we go. That cicada has been working its magic. Come on. What's your tail? Oh yeah. He's 27. So have a good day, buddy. Oh, there was one there and one here at the same time hitting the surface. One was on my lure, the other one was just hitting something random back there. So I don't know where it was. There it is. Oh, there's a big one and a little one. That's the little one. That's the bigger one. Oh. Yep. Oh. I don't think he's well hooked. Gotta love this creek. It's bent already. I knew it would be bent because Those Profishent cicadas are so good. What have we got here? Another 30. Another 30. Have a good day, buddy. I'm going to throw a casting from back in again from behind. I thought there would have been one there. Thought there would have been one there at the front of that tree. It wasn't. Oh, come on. That's what they've been doing. They've been hitting it, but... Oh, yeah. Oh, finally. Oh. He didn't look that big. He's only just hooked. He's only just hooked. He's not that big. He's probably 30. I say he's not that big. He's probably 30. Added a drop of scent and finally got some commitment. Oh, dude, you've really made a mockery of this, haven't you? Oh. There we go. Got the cicada out. Let me see his face. And he's what, 20 something. The way he was fighting, he was like he was a 30. He's only like 27. Have a good day, buddy. Oof. He was off. Oh, scared the crap out of me. Oh, he's tripping over himself. Just eat it. Oh, he got off. I think he picked it back up. Or his mate did. Or his mate did. Okay, that was crazy. This is the smallest one of the day, I think. You've got some juice in you, buddy. That's all I had to do. See you, buddy. Have a good day. That was nutso. That was nuts. How many times do they want to miss it? How many times do they want to miss it? How many times do you want to miss it, fellas? Oh my god. That has been the story of half my day. How many was that? Oh. Well, I am done. The Profishent Cicada, the WCB, is what we used today in the 40mm. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. After a very bad weekend, and it's pretty much full moon why I'm out here today. So full moon, extremely low tides, and we got the job done. What more can you ask for? Alright, take it easy and have a nice day.